Welcome on Message Karbala. Please subscribe my channel, and if you are on Facebook, please follow my page. Certainly. Here are 10 multiple choice questions about Imam Ali, may Allah be pleased with him, in Islamic history. 1. Imam Ali, peace be upon him, was the cousin and son-in-law of which Islamic prophet? A. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and his progeny. B. Prophet Ibrahim, Abraham, peace be upon him. C. Prophet Isa, Jesus, peace be upon him. D. Prophet Musa, Moses, peace be upon him. 2. Imam Ali is known as the first Imam in which branch of Islam? A. Sunni Islam. B. Shia Islam. C. Sufi Islam. D. Abadi Islam. 3. Imam Ali, peace be upon him, is known for his exceptional bravery and valor. Which famous battle did he famously wield the legendary sword, Zulfikar? A. Battle of Uhud. B. Battle of Badr. C. Battle of Karbala. D. Battle of Karbala. 4. Imam Ali, peace be upon him, ruled as the Caliph of the Muslim community during which period? A. The Rashidun Caliphate. B. The Umayyad Caliphate. C. The Abbasid Caliphate. D. The Fatimid Caliphate. 5. Imam Ali, peace be upon him, is highly regarded for his wisdom and knowledge. Which compilation of his sayings and teachings is considered a treasure of Islamic literature? A. Nahj al-Balagha. B. Sahih al-Bukhari. C. Musnad Ahmad. D. Sunan Abu Dawud. 6. Imam Ali, peace be upon him, is famously known for his role in which important event in Islamic history? A. The Treaty of Hudaybiyah. B. The Hijra, migration to Medina. C. The night journey, Isra and Miraj. D. The event of Ghadir Qum. 7. Imam Ali, peace be upon him, is considered an embodiment of justice. Which title is often associated with him in Islamic tradition? A. Al-Wadid, the loving. B. Al-Majib, the responsive. C. Al-Muhsin, the benevolent. D. Al-Adil, the just. 8. Which battle did Imam Ali, may Allah be pleased with him, famous with Muawiyah ibn Abi Sufyan? A. Battle of Uhud. B. Battle of Siffin. C. Battle of Karbala. D. Battle of Badr. 9. Imam Ali is buried in which city, where his shrine is a place of pilgrimage for Muslims? A. Mecca. B. Medina. C. Karbala. D. Najaf. 10. Imam Ali, peace be upon him, known for his emphasis on moral and ethical teachings. Which famous book is attributed to him, outlining the virtues and vices of human behavior? A. Kitab al-Kafi. B. Kitab al-Tafid. C. Kitab al-Arkam. D. Kitab al-Mustadrak. The correct answers are as follows. 1. A. Prophet Muhammad. 2. B. Shia Islam. 3. C. Battle of Karbala. 4. A. The Rashidun Caliphate. 5. A. Nahj al-Balagha. 6. D. The event of Ghadir Qum. 7. B. Al-Adil, the just. 8. B. Battle of Siffin. 9. D. Najaf. 10. A. Kitab al-Kafi. Thank you for watching. Allah bless you.